Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Chadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 7 maths and our topic is fraction and decimal. Student, you all are know in exam only MCQs type questions are there. Okay, so let's practice the that type of question. Okay, now first we revise fraction and decimal, what we learn in fraction and decimal chapter. Okay, so let's do short revision. A fraction is either a proper fraction or improper fraction. Okay, and what is a fraction? A part of whole is called a fraction. Okay, a fraction is either a proper fraction or improper fraction. What is proper fraction? A proper fraction is a number representing a part of whole. This whole may be a single object or a group of objects. And improper fraction is a number in which numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, in proper fraction numerator is less than the denominator, and in improper fraction numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, a mixed fraction is a combination of natural number and a proper fraction. Okay, means what is a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a combination of natural number and a proper fraction. Okay, two fractions are multiplied by multiplying their numerator and denominator separately and writing the product as product of numerator upon product of denominator. Okay, a fraction acts as a operation of, for example, if we want to in a question we have operation of, then suppose the question is type 1/3 of just a minute 1/3 of 3. So what we do, what is the meaning of? Of meaning multiplication, so we can do 3 से 3 cancel out होगा, your answer is 1. Okay, so if the operation is off, then what can you do? You have to multiply. Okay, the product of two proper fraction is less than each of the fraction. Okay, if you multiply two proper fraction, then it is less than each of the proper fraction. For example, 1/2 into 1/3. If we multiply two proper fraction, means 1/2 into 1/3, so it become 1/6. 1 into 1 1, 2 into 3 6. Okay, so it become 1/6, and 1/6 is less than 1/2 and 1/3 also. Okay, understand? Now student, ये छोटी छोटी बातें अगर आप याद रखोगे तो आपको एग्जाम में बहुत काम आने वाली है. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, नाउ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन इज लेस देन ईच ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन. ओके, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन एंड इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन इज लेस देन द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन एंड ग्रेटर देन द प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ओके, मीन्स अगर हम एक प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है और एक इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है, उनका प्रोडक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो वो प्रोडक्ट कैसा होगा? वो प्रोडक्ट होगा लेस देन द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन एंड ग्रेटर देन द प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? एंड नाउ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन इज ग्रेटर देन द टू फ्रैक्शंस. ओके, इफ देयर आर टू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, देन the product is always greater than these two improper fractions. Okay, understand? Now if we talk about the reciprocal of non-zero fraction is obtained by interchanging its numerator and denominator. Okay, suppose if we want to find reciprocal of 3/2 is 2/3. Okay, while dividing a whole number by a fraction, we multiply the whole number with the reciprocal of that fraction. Okay, understand? Or I will told you KFC. Remember, always remember KFC. That means K means keep the first number, F means flip the sign and convert the second number into its reciprocal. Okay, always convert the second number in its reciprocal. Okay, understand? Okay student, while dividing one fraction by another fraction, we multiply the first fraction by reciprocal of the other. Okay, means KFC. Okay, while multiplying two decimal number, first multiply them as whole number, count the number of digits to the right of the decimal point in both the decimal number. Okay, and then add the number of digits counted, put the decimal point in the product by counting the number of digits equal to the obtained from its rightmost place. मीन्स आपको क्या करना है, अगर दो डेसिमल नंबर का आपका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है तो नॉर्मली आपको जैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हो कर लेना है। उसके बाद जो दो नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया है उन दोनों की राइट मोस्ट डिजिट, मतलब डेसिमल के बाद वाली जितनी डिजिट्स हैं उनको काउंट करना है। सपोज 4 डिजिट है तो आपको जो आंसर है उसको राइट से, मतलब वंस के प्लेस से स्टार्ट करके 4 डिजिट काउंट करना है, वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000। ओके, अगर 4 डिजिट है तो 1000 के बाद में आपको डेसिमल पुट करना है। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस इज़ योर आंसर। ओके, सपोज let's take one example. If the question is 1.2 into 1.24, okay, so first you multiply 124 into 12 as it is. 12 fours are 12 twos are 24, 23 24 के बाद 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, now it's 2. 12 ones are 12 or 2, 14. Okay, now count the decimal digit 1, 2, 3. So rightmost digit है 1, 2, 3 and put the decimal. So your answer is 1.488. Okay, understand? So this type you have to solve the question. To multiply a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000, we move the decimal point in the number of the right by as many place as zeros. मीन्स अगर हम 10 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं तो डेसिमल कहाँ मूव हो जाएगा बेटा? राइट साइड में। ओके, और सेम अगर हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो जितने ज़ीरो से आप डिवाइड कर रहे हो उतने ज़ीरो वो कहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा? डेसिमल आपका लेफ्ट साइड में। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो टू डिवाइड अ डेसिमल नंबर बाय 10, 100 and 1000, shift the decimal point in the decimal number to the left by as many places as there are 0 over 1 to get the quotient. Okay, so for example, if you divide 1.34, if you want to divide 1.34 upon 100, so see the quotient 1.34, how many zeros are there? 2. Okay, you have to divide, so your answer is 0.0134. किस साइड शिफ्ट होगा डेसिमल? लेफ्ट साइड। ओके, किस साइड शिफ्ट होगा डेसिमल आपका? लेफ्ट साइड। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, एंड इफ यू वांट टू मल्टीप्लाई देम देन 0 is shifted to its right. Okay, understand? Okay, now while dividing one decimal number by another, first shift the decimal point to the right by equal number of place in both to convert the divisor to a natural number and then divide. For example, if question is 1.44 upon 1.2. Okay, understand? So here one decimal are here, so you have to shift here after decimal one digit in division, so you have to shift this decimal to here right side. So your question is easy, 14.4 divided by 12. Okay, and now you can divide it, so your answer is 1.2. Okay, when we divide it your answer is 1.2. Okay, understand? So this type you have to convert all the, and this is the points you have to remember. Okay, now let's take example number 1. Savita is dividing 1:3/4 kg of sweet equally among her even 7 friends. How much does each friend receive? So if we want to know how much each friend have received, so first of all we have to see this. Savita is dividing, how many sweets are there? 1:3/4. देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मिक्स फ्रैक्शन है ये, तो आपको इसको किस में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में. सो इट बिकम 4 1 जा 4, 4 + 3 7, 7/4 kg स्वीट्स हैं आपके पास में. यू हैव 7/4 kg स्वीट्स. ओके, एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ फ्रेंड्स कितने हैं, 7. सो यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट इंटू 7 फ्रेंड्स. सो व्हाट कैन यू डू, 7/4 डिवाइडेड बाय 7. ओके, सो first number, keep the first number, flip the sign and reciprocal the second number. 7 से 7 कट हो जाएगा, 1/4 kg. ईच फ्रेंड्स को कितना मिलेगा बेटा, 1/4 kg. सो योर बी ऑप्शन इज राइट. ओके, सेम हियर, इफ 3/4 ऑफ अ नंबर इज 12, द नंबर इज 3/4 ऑफ अ नंबर. सो यू कैन राइट this equation is 3/4 of a number. Of a number means you don't know what is the number of x is equal to 12 and you want to find x. Okay, so here 3/4 and here off. So what is the meaning of off? Meaning of off is multiplication. Okay, so you have to write 3/4 x is equal to 12. Now 3/4 is in multiplication with x, so if you transpose it then it become division. So your equation is x is equal to 12 divided by 3/4. So it become, keep the first number, flip the sign and reciprocal the second number. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So your answer is 16. Okay, so this type you have to solve the questions. Okay, understand? Okay, let's take third example. Product of fraction 2/7 and 5/9 is. Product means multiplication. Okay, if we talk about multiplication, then what we can do, we have to multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Okay, so your answer is 10 upon 7 9s are 63. Okay, so or if you don't want to solve it, so your answer is 2 into 5, 7 into 9. That means its D option is correct one. Okay, understand? Now next one is, given that 0 is less than P, is less than Q, is less than R, is less than S, and P, Q, R, S are integer, which of the following is the smallest? So which of the following is smallest? See, 0 is less than P, Q, R and S, means P is the greatest number. Okay, P is the greatest number and S is the greatest number. Okay, so P plus Q upon R plus S means R और S जो नंबर होंगे, जो भी नंबर होंगे R और S, ठीक है. अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं 0 से P बड़ा है, तो सपोज ले लें हम 0 से 1 2 3 and 4. ओके, सो अगर हम P और Q को प्लस करते हैं 1 + 2 में, एग्जाम्पल ले रही हूँ. ओके बेटा, +3 + 4 दैट इज़ 3/7. और दूसरा लेकर देखें, अगर हम 1 + 4 अपॉन 2 + 3 मीन्स 5/5 दैट इज़ 1. सो सबसे छोटा कौन सा होगा, आप सबको सॉल्व करके देखेंगे. फर्स्ट वाला हमारा आ रहा है 3/7, ये हमारा आ रहा है 3/7, ये हमारा आया 1. Q + S, Q मीन्स हमने लिया है 2 + S मीन्स S इज़ अवर 1 2 3 4, S इज़ अवर 4. सो 2 + 4 6, 6/1 + 3 दैट इज़ 4. ओके, सो ये हो जाएगा हमारा 6/4 दैट इज़ 3/2. ओके, and last one is R plus S. R plus S means 7/3. So which one is the smallest? 3/7 is the smallest number. Okay, understand? So A option is your right option. Understand? The next number of the pattern. अब अगर इस टाइप का कोई क्वेश्चन आता है आपके पास में, तो see the pattern carefully. 60 then 30. तो 60 का हाफ होता है 30. इफ़ यू डिवाइड 60/2, so you can get 30. And if you divide 30 by 2, then you get 15. So you have to divide 15 by 2 because आपको नेक्स्ट टू पैटर्न 60 के बाद 30 कैसे मिला, आपने 2 से डिवाइड किया, 30 के बाद 15 कैसे मिला, आपने 2 से डिवाइड किया, वैसे ही आपको 15 के बाद में नेक्स्ट नंबर कैसे मिलेगा जब आप 15 को 2 से डिवाइड करोगे. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो योर डी ऑप्शन इज द राइट वन. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज the decimal expansion of rupees 8 rupees 8 paisa is 8 rupees and 8 paisa. So see here students, 1 paisa 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa, we know that. Okay, and 8 rupees, वो बोल रहा है रुपीस तो 8 हैं बट पैसे कितने हैं 8. ओके, सो 1 rupees is equal to 100 पैसा. सो और 1 पैसा इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच रुपीज़ 1/100 रुपीज़. ओके, सो 8 पैसे इज इक्वल टू 8/100. सो यू कैन राइट 0.08. ओके, सो 8.08 इज योर राइट आंसर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. नेक्स्ट इज each side of a regular hexagon is 3.5 centimeter long. See student, this type of question is come on your exam. Okay, let's see some questions. So let's see, 2 by 5 into 1:1 by 5 is equal to, here is 4 option is here. Okay, so which answer is right? So let's take 2 by 5 into 5:1 by 5. So 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1, that is 26/5. And its multiplication. So see, is कोई नंबर किसी से कट रहा है नहीं, बिकॉज नीचे 5 है और ऊपर 26 है, 2 है. ओके, so no one common factor are there, so you can only multiply them. Means 6 2s are 12, 1 carry out, 2 2s are 4 or 1 5 upon 25. So your answer is B. Okay, understand. Okay, B option is the right one. Okay, now next second one is 3:3 by 4 divided by 3 by 4. So first of all, whenever mixed fraction are given, then you have to convert it into improper fraction. Okay, 4 3s are 12 plus 3, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15/4. keep the first number divided by 3 by 4. अब ये क्वेश्चन हमारा ऐसा बन गया. Okay, so 15/4, keep the first number, flip the sign, reciprocal the second number. 3 4 से 4 कट हुआ, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Now your answer is 5/1, that is 5. So your C option is the right answer. Okay, understand. So this type you have to solve the questions. Okay, now question number 3. A ribbon of length 5:1 by 4 meter is cut into small pieces, each of length 3 by 4 meter. Number of pieces will be. So if each length is 3 by 4, एक रिबिन है आपके पास में बड़ा सा, उसको आपको कट करना है. कट करना है मतलब डिवाइड करना है उसको इक्वली 3 by 4 3 by 4 लेंथ में. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, 5:1 by 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 by 4. अंडरस्टैंड. Okay, and then you can solve it easily. Okay, then you can solve it easily. Now next one is the ascending order. The ascending arrangement 2 by 3, 6 by 7 and 13 by 21. Now see student, here denominator are different. Okay, so first of all what you can do, first you have to LCM that. What is LCM of 3, 7 and 21? So if we talking about LCM, let's take First of all, we divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, and 7 1s are 7. Okay, so our LCM is 21. What is our LCM? LCM is 21. Now take first number 2 by 3. What we multiply by 3, so it becomes 21. So we can multiply by 7, so it becomes 21. If we multiply denominator by 3, then we have to multiply numerator by 3 also. Okay, so it becomes 21 upon 14 upon 21. It's your first number. Now 6 upon 7. What you multiply by in 7, that then it becomes 21. We have multiplied by 3, so it becomes 21. This is your second number, and this is 13 by 21. Now which number is greater? See here, which number is greater? You have to see if we want to see ascending order. Ascending order means सबसे पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा? छोटा नंबर. सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा दिख रहा है आपको? 13 by 21. So 13 by 21 is less than 14 by 21 is less than 18 by 21. If the denominator is same, which numerator is greater? It's a greater number. Okay, understand? So this type you have to solve. Reciprocal of the fraction 2 by 3 is, if you want to reciprocal means numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. So your answer D is the right one. Okay, the product of 11 by 13 and 4 is, so if you want to, product means multiplication, understand? So multiply means 11 into 4 upon 13 into 1. 11 into 4 is 44 upon 13. When you divide this number, then you get, what you get? Okay, 5 is remaining, means your answer is 3:5 by 13. So A answer is the right answer. Okay, this type you have to solve the questions. Okay, if you want to divide, always remember KFC. Okay, understand? And in decimal, what you do? If there is multiplication, 0.03 into 0.9. ओके, सो मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? अगर इस टाइप से डेसिमल का मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, आपको पहले क्या करना है? आपको सिंपल जो होल नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हो, आपको वैसे कर लेना है. 9 3s are 27. ओके, हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर? 1 2 and 3. हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर? 3 डिजिट्स आर देयर. ओके, सो इफ देयर आर 3 डिजिट, सो हमारा आंसर तो ओनली 2 डिजिट का है. तो व्हाट यू कैन डू? यू कैन राइट 0. सो योर आंसर इज 0.027 is the right answer. Okay, understand? This type you have to multiply any two decimal number. Okay, okay student. Now let's see some decimals problem. Product. What is the meaning of product? I also tell you, meaning of product is multiplication, meaning of is also multiplication. Okay, understand? So keep remember. Okay, now let's take some decimal problem. What you have to divide, so you get 0.527. 52.7 को आप किस नंबर से डिवाइड करोगे कि आपका नंबर आ जाए 0.527. ओके, मीन्स डेसिमल कहाँ शिफ्ट हो रहा है बच्चों? डेसिमल शिफ्ट हो रहा है लेफ्ट साइड में. कितना लेफ्ट शिफ्ट हो रहा है? 2 डिजिट. ओके, 7 के आगे तो डेसिमल है ही, और कहाँ शिफ्ट हो रहा है वो? 2 डिजिट आगे शिफ्ट हो रहा है. सो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई, डिवाइड बाय इट 100. यू हैव टू डिवाइड बाय इट 100. अंडरस्टैंड? सो this type you have to solve all the questions. Okay, understand? Now keep practice. This is the question types. Okay, I will give you in a group and also. Okay, so keep practice. Have a good day.